Okay, so here's Tally app, which helps you to pay off credit card debt faster. So let's try to install it on iPhone. And this app is right now is featured in the App Store because it got new updates, and as you can see, it's in the top 100, no, maybe top 200 finance apps on App Store. So it's basically automated debt manager. It helps you to save money, manage credit cards, and pay down balances faster. You just can sign up for Tally and see if you're eligible for a credit line, or your credit check won't impact your credit score. It's available only in United States and in most states except except three. So download Tally, find your savings, organize your cards. And then there are all these fees and all of that. But here I'm just showing you up how to install the app. Custom credit line. And then I can just start. So what you will need: your first name, email address, and then you need to go through all this process, like adding your basic information, or adding credit check, or receive your offer. So then you need to add your phone number. Here I'll just try to use the app to show you guys how it works. Well, I don't know. Whatever. So this is what you need. What's your personal annual salary? Just add that. And then, can we run a credit check? This will not affect your credit score. Yes, I agree. And then you need to use your social security number, and then they use encryption to keep your data safe. So yeah, that's the idea. So yeah, that's how it works. Hopefully it is helpful. Unfortunately, I don't have a SSN number, so you need to be a resident in US to have that. And then you just proceed with instructions. If you have any additional comments, just leave them below.